Do you ever feel your creativity is stuck? Many people struggle to generate new ideas. What if you could spark creativity daily? Mindful journaling can be your solution. The purpose of this tutorial is to guide you. Together, we will explore mindful journaling. By the end, you'll be ready to start your journey. Step 1. Gather your journaling materials. Use a notebook and a favorite pen. Find a quiet space where you can think. Step 2. Set a daily time for journaling. Early morning or late evening work best. Consistency is key to forming a habit. Step 3. Begin with free writing. Write whatever comes to your mind. Let go of judgment and freely express your thoughts. Step 4. Reflect on your writing. Read what you wrote and highlight interesting ideas. This will help you identify creative sparks. Step 5. Incorporate prompts into your writing. Use questions or topics to inspire deeper reflection. For example, what made me smile today? Step 6. Allow time for mindfulness. Before you write, take a few deep breaths. Center yourself and clear your mind of distractions. Step 7. Review your progress weekly. Look back at what you've written. Notice patterns and growth in your creativity. In summary, mindful daily journaling can unlock your creativity. With simple steps, you can enhance your brainstorming. Remember to be consistent and value your thoughts. Now it's your turn. Grab a pen and start journaling today. Embrace mindfulness in your writing. Watch your creativity flourish. Mindful journaling is a powerful practice that can transform the way you generate ideas. To truly benefit, approach it with an open heart and mind. Embrace simplicity and remember that creativity often flourishes when we give it space and freedom to breathe. Begin your journaling session with an encouraging mindset. Recognize that each entry is a step towards self-discovery and creativity. Allow your thoughts to flow naturally, remembering that there is no right or wrong way to express yourself. Embrace vulnerability in your words, as it often leads to the most genuine ideas. Let your pen dance freely on the paper, unfettered by expectation, and celebrate the unique voice that emerges with every stroke. After free writing, take a moment to savor the experience. Close your eyes and breathe deeply, allowing the thoughts you just expressed to settle within you. This reflective pause cultivates a deeper connection to your creative self. As you keep returning to this practice, you may be surprised at the richness of ideas that begin to surface. With each journaling session, trust the process, and know that your creativity is evolving and expanding. Be patient with yourself, as the journey unfolds in its own time and rhythm. Step 8. Experiment with different styles of journaling. Consider artistic doodling, poetry, or bullet points to capture your thoughts. Mixing styles can unlock new dimensions of creativity, making the process more enjoyable. Don't hesitate to let your mood dictate your approach. Some days, a simple list may suffice, while others may call for elaborate sketches. Remember, the goal is to explore and find what resonates with you most. This exploration can lead to unexpected insights and deepen your creative practice, allowing you to express yourself more fully. The more you experiment, the richer your journaling experience will become. Step 9. Share your thoughts with others. Consider joining a journaling group or community where you can exchange ideas. Engaging with fellow writers can provide inspiration and further ignite your creativity. By embracing these steps in mindful journaling, you'll cultivate a fulfilling creative routine that allows you to explore your thoughts deeply. Remember, this process is unique to you, and every page turned is a piece of your evolving story. Start today and let your creativity unfold beautifully.